My first Alay Lakad experience. Ngayon ko lang na-experience yung
Ang
Alay
laging
Lakad.
katanggap-tanggap lamang sa Diyos ay ang dugo ng...
Tapos doon, yung dinaanan namin kanina, na-realize ko parang bakit Indian music yung piniplay. Tapos di ko na-realize mga Indiano pala yung namimigay ng tubig. Kasi may mga stations. Okay, so if you're wondering why I'm oblivious to this culture, we practice Christianity a bit differently. I mean, we worship the same God, but we worship differently. So apparently, this is how most people in the Philippines celebrate Holy Week. In all 30 plus years, wala kaming kamalay-malay na ganito pala every year because we're always out of town at this time of the year. Every year, consistently. Alam namin na may Alay Lakad, pero hindi namin alam na ganito pala. So let's explore it together, I guess. Pingi! Thank you! Free stuff!
Ang kanyang regalo po ay isang kayaman, mga bagay na makikita natin dito sa mundo.
Thank you! Ay, thank you! Oops, sorry. Thank you!